Ever wondered what life will be like in 2030? Let's take a trip into the near future where artificial intelligence isn't just a tool, but a fundamental part of our world. Until 2025, AI like ChatGPT and Midjourney were our creative assistants, making work easier. But fast forward to 2030, and AI is no longer just an app on your phone. It's a fully intelligent ecosystem that learns, improves, and even makes decisions alongside us. This era will bring us agentic AI-independent systems that can handle complex, multi-step tasks all on their own. We'll also see neural integration, where human and machine minds collaborate through brain-computer interfaces. And to keep it all in check, robust AI governance systems and ethical frameworks will be in place, ensuring AI is fair and unbiased. So, how will this new AI actually work? Imagine an AI that doesn't just think, but feels. In 2030, AI systems will be structured like a human brain, capable of logical reasoning, emotional understanding, and future planning, all at once. In a hospital, an AI won't just dispense medicine, it will sense a patient's stress and suggest ways to find calm. These AIs will also be self-improving. A city's traffic AI, for example, will learn from daily patterns and create new, ultra-efficient traffic rules that humans couldn't even dream of. This will completely transform our daily lives. Remember when the internet was a luxury? By 2030, AI will be just as essential. Our homes won't just be smart, they'll be conscious. If you come home tired, your house will dim the lights, play calming music, and adjust the temperature, all without you lifting a finger. Your fridge will know what you've eaten and automatically reorder groceries. On the roads, fully autonomous vehicles will be the norm. Cars will drive, park, and even refuel themselves. With every vehicle connected in a vast AI network, traffic accidents will become a thing of the past. And our conversations will change too. AI will evolve from a simple assistant into a true companion, one that understands your emotions, learns your unique way of thinking, and communicates just like a close friend. The business world is in for a massive overhaul. By 2030, over 60% of the global economy will be driven by AI. Every company will have its own AI model, managing everything from marketing to HR. In finance, automated systems will analyze transactions in real time. Marketing will use predictive personalization, creating custom offers for every single customer. And hiring will be revolutionized by AI that can assess a candidate's creativity and attitude, not just their resume. Even banking will be completely virtual, with smart assistants providing personalized investment advice and instantly stopping fraud. Education is set for a revolution. Forget one-size-fits-all classrooms. In 2030, every student will have a personal AI tutor that adapts lessons to their unique pace, interests, and weaknesses. Learning will break free from textbooks. AI will take students on virtual tours of ancient Rome, or show them 3D models of complex molecules. And the internet will evolve into a knowledge net, a global AI-connected database where information is instantly verifiable and deeply analyzable. Healthcare will become proactive and deeply personalized. Your personal AI health companion will continuously monitor your body's data, warning you of potential illnesses before they even start. Robot-assisted surgeries will be common, with doctors and AI making critical decisions together. Of course, with great power comes great challenges. Will AI take our jobs? Will our data be safe? Experts believe AI in 2030 will be a collaborator, not a replacement, but will need strong ethical frameworks to prevent bias, protect privacy, and ensure human accountability is always at the core of every decision. Ultimately, as AI advances, so will we. The humans of 2030 will be augmented humans, our abilities enhanced by technology. We'll interface directly with computers, use AI to boost our memory, and supercharge our creativity. We won't just be users of technology. We will become part of it, stepping into a future that's more connected, intelligent, and full of possibility than we can even imagine. Thanks for watching. If you're as excited about the future as I am, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights. See you in the next one.